Jeffrey Halford! From the United States of America, isn't it?
Pardon me?
From the United States?
Yes, from California.
From California, and you're still dreaming in California?
Yes. Stopped into a church along the way.
Yes, but how did you...
That's part of the lyrics of that song.
How did you come by Willem Waterbeek? How did you meet
Well, I got a new CD out called Lo-Fi Dreams that I hope maybe some of you will take a listen to.
Lo-Fi Dreams.
Lo-Fi Dreams. And
Can we also find it on the internet?
Absolutely. JeffreyHalford.com. Look for the CD, and it's doing well in Holland and in America, so they had me over here. I'm doing a bunch of dates in Holland.
You're on tour?
Yes, I'm on tour. That's right.
How long are you making music? How long?
How long? God, since I was, 30 years easy.
30 years?
Yeah, 30 years. I got about 10
I don't dare,
12
I don't dare ask the question. What is your age?
58.
58? You look very nice, handsome, and young.
Thank you.
Do you are married?
For you?
Yeah,
no,
for me?
no.
Can we date? Can we date? Look, we look very good
so
together. You have a hat, I have a hat. I also have something like that.
No, I'm married. I've got a couple of kids that are good musicians. Also.
Okay.
But in another life, for sure, it would be excellent.
Another life.
Another life.
Okay. Maybe next life. But you're on tour, and where are you going to go tonight?
We're at what's that place, Adam, that we're playing tonight? He's not going to answer me. Adam, where are we playing tonight?
Adam, where are you playing, Adam?
Culture Cafe. Yeah.
Culture Cafe in Leeuwarden?
In Amen.
Amen? Emmen.
Emmen? Really?
Yeah.
I meant Veendam. Oh, that's the radio station.
That's Afkeninke, is that? And Afkeninke is also helping Willem. Okay, do you know Afkeninke?
No,
she is also married.
She's
also married. She married not long ago. She is still in her white bruidsweken. Bruidwoudsweken. Witte bruidsweken.
Ja,
hey, but I wish you lots of fun, but the music you play is rock and roll kind of music.
Yeah, it's rock
I
and
heard
roll.
it. I taped you.
I'm a rock and roll fanatic.
You're a rock and roll fanatic.
Yes.
What do you need to be a rock and roll fanatic?
3 chords and the truth.
3 chords and the truth.
No, we've been doing it forever. I love the rock and roll, but I like a lot of different styles of music.
You play different styles?
No, we like a lot of different styles of music, but rock and roll is the base of it. I like blues, I like rock and roll, I like folk, I like Tex-Mex.
Tex-Mex, I like Tex-Mex.
Roots American music.
Tex-Mex is one of my favorites.
Oh, cool. Yeah, we have a Tex-Mex song that we do, but I was born in Texas. Then I moved, born in Texas, and I moved to California. So I mean, we're lucky. We're around a lot of incredible music.
And that's the end of this interview.
Yes, it is.
We're around a lot of great.
Well, thank you.
And you sing with passion.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much, Jeffrey.
See you.
I'm sorry.
We're ready.
Bye.
Yes, okay, Afkeninke, they have to go 2 minutes, 2 people. Dat maait je allemaal mij, dat maait je al je mij. Wie Willem? Ja, Bij Noarderwyn. Dus kun je de straat? Jazeker.